Thank you for buying this 10017 Arbor unit from fixturedisplays.com. You can find this item on fixturedisplays.com by searching 10017. These are all the components. In this full-length video, we're going to show you step-by-step instructions how to put this Arbor unit together. You have cross members, and the support braces, the side panels, the top pieces, and the top support members, and corner pieces, along with hardware and LED solar lights and ground spikes. To get started, you want to pick one of the side panel support beams and then use the horizontal members to insert in the pre-fabricated holes. And the piece at the bottom, you want to make sure that is closed on one end, and it would insert the cross members like that. Then there are through holes at top and bottom. You will insert a longer support piece or cross member through the two through holes. Now at this stage, it's not perfectly stable yet until you put screws in, so you want to use caution. Now we're going to close this section by inserting top and bottom pieces of this sub-assembly and snap the parts in. There are many ways to put this together, but this video captured one of the most efficient ways. We recommend you do so to save your time, because if you want to reinvent how to put this together, that's perfectly fine. You just might find yourself in a wrong spot here and there, and you may have to redo it. By observing this carefully, identify the parts correctly would save you time. Now the wing nut should face the inserted direction where the open holes are. Now we're going to close up the other side of this panel. And then fasten with the screws and wing nuts. With these holes open, and they'll be ready to assemble with the other side. The ground spikes, there are pre-drilled holes that matches up to the side panel, the support beams. You can assemble the ground spike at this point. You could also insert the ground spikes, hammer that into the ground first, and then fasten to match up the holes. The trick with that is you have to find the distance on the ground perfectly matching or closely matching the side panel dimensions. Likewise, we're going to assemble the other side panel. You want to start with the lower sub-assembly and then work on the upper sub-assembly. Then install the ground spikes. When inserting the ground spikes, you want to use caution. It's pretty sharp, so you want to prepare your ground, remove any rocks there is That would give you the easiest experience to insert it. At times you may need to use a mallet to hammer it in, but do so gently. Preparing your ground certainly is very important. Now we're going to join the two side panels with two cross beams, and you want to make sure you insert in the correct orientation. Now we're going to connect the corner pieces like that. And fasten with screws. So you want to make sure the screws match up nicely. The holes match up nicely. And right here, you're going to use V-nut to fasten. These cross members connect the two beams together in multiple locations. Now we're going to prepare the the solar panels that powers the LED light strips. The two units come with the purchase, one on each side. There are many different ways you want to install this. This is just one inspiration you could follow, or you can definitely figure out your own system. Now the solar panel, you could put it on the very top and fasten to the unit with screws or adhesive, or any ways you see fit. It also comes with a ground spike that allow you to put this onto the ground for easier maintenance. There are two buttons in the back. One is on off, the other give you blink options. This shows you the blinking option. It can be steady light as well. We're going to give you some dimensions. The overall height, excluding the ground spike, is 82 inches, 82.5 to be precise, and left to right is 72.5 inches. Front to back, where the top support bar is, 40 inches. If you have any questions, email us cs@fixturedisplays.com. If you like this video and product, we can really use a good review. Thank you for shopping Fixture Displays.